아 저걸로 만든
Okay, couple of leaf.
Couple of.
Right? This one, lemon curd kalanga, mushroom,
머쉬룸.
chili oil,
올. 그게 핵심이야 진짜.
done now.
슈림.
Okay. Fish sauce. This is high food everything fish sauce.
피시 소스.
Fish sauce.
라임. 소이 밀크 같은데? 간단하네. 그죠 뭐. 넣고 끓이는 거 라면만큼 쉬운데?
Okay. How many chili? One?
Yes, one.
That's enough, okay? I don't kill you. You know?
Smell good.
Nice, huh?
Good flavor.
Okay, now put this one. This one not cook so long. Just cook for enough, cook enough.
Yeah.
Then cook so long, very dry. And very okay, this one. This sauce, sorry. Lime juice, we don't cook together.
lime juice.
We don't cook together. When cook together, taste bitter.
끝에 넣을 겁니다. 똠양 냄새나.
똠양.
Okay, now from Yum, ready?
아
This
저거는
one, ramen, okay?
오.
그 저 육수로 만들었다고 저거 주는 게 아니라 라스타.
And then you take two times. I compare if we don't have this one, and we have this one here. Okay? Take lady
Thank
first.
you.
Okay, now you can taste now.
예.
I don't add this one yet, member.
오케이.
Taste this one first.
이거는 마이다.
Spicy?
그
맛있다.
맛있다.
Okay, here. Now, I add this one, huh? Add this one, okay? Okay, now add this one.
와우.
Now, you can taste now. Okay, now you can taste one more time. This one you sit down in there. 맛있다. 맛있다.
와.
Okay, remember this one now. You can find this one now. And you know flavor already, right? I let you taste already.